Good morning, Jai Hind, and welcome back in the class. Yesterday we had discussed the meaning of e-business, what is the need of e-business, what is exact content which are using in e-business. Today, bacha, before proceeding to another topic, that is e-commerce. Bacha, e-commerce is what? Commerce is what? T plus A. Trade plus aids to trade, auxiliary to trade. This is what purchase and sell and all the things which are helping in purchase and sell is considered as a commerce. And e-commerce is containing the commercial transaction conducted electronic on the internet. It is only a part of e-business. So you can say that e-business is a broader concept. And e-commerce is just the part of that concept. Dekho, like suppose a customer is there. A customer is there, like I, me, yourself. A customer is there. Just a minute. Let the pen color change. Yeah. An online store, Amazon is there. And the wholesale trade is there. Now how the e-commerce is functioning, understand this. As a seller, wholesale store is attached with Amazon. And a customer is registered on Amazon. I'm just taking Amazon as an online store. So when customer will place the order, Amazon will just act as a mediator and transferring the order to wholesale store and giving the information to wholesale store that this particular customer is interested to purchase the product. And wholesale store is order product shipment and that is delivered to customer. And this whole process is known as e-commerce. So what is the role of online store? As a mediator. Online store is taking the order from the customer, delivering the information to the wholesale store, and sometimes the wholesale stores are directly transferring the product to the customer. Sometimes they are passing through the online store and deliver to the customer. And that is what? That is the meaning of e-commerce. Okay, bacha. So now the second one, scope of e-business, which is very, very important. That what is the scope of e-business? What are the area where the e-business can cover? So, dekho, basically, this 4 type of e-business transactions are there. And this is very important because the question will ask from this particular topic. So what are the 4 type of e-business transaction? The number 1 is B2B, number 2 is B2C, number 3 is intra-B, and number 4 is C2C. So we will discuss each transaction one by one. Okay. So first is B2B business transaction. But bacha, before that now, one thing you always keep in your mind, that what is the basic difference between e-business? What is the basic difference between e-business and e-commerce? That you have to keep in your mind. E-business is a very wide concept. And e-commerce is a part of this concept. E-commerce is the part of this concept. So it have the narrow concept. Okay. And the one more difference between e-business and e-commerce is that e-business is related with all the activity of business. Like e-business, when we talk about e-business is contain the production, e-business contain the industry, trade, at marketing and commerce. Okay, so e-business contain the product also. E-business is conducting the industry, how to prepare the product. E-business is purchasing and selling. E-business is marketing also, that how the product will be marketed. And e-business is contain the commerce also, that all the aids to trade which help in trade, which help in production, will also in the form of online, like banking, like what you can say sorry, the transportation services, all that is included in e-business. And what thing is there in e-commerce? So, sorry for the voice today. ठीक है, e-commerce is basically the relation between the customer and supplier. Simple. So as you can see that e-commerce is the relation between customer and supplier. So that's why we can say that e-commerce is have a limited scope, where e-business having a very wider concept, because it is not relation between customer and supplier. It is relation between the how to upgrade the product, how to deliver the product, how to produce the best one, what can the marketing survey, what market want, how we can enhance our selling. All that business activities done through internet is considered as e-business. So chalo ji, our first one is B2B business. B2B means business to business. Acha bacha, before I proceed to particular this topic, one simple thing you understand that in B2B business, it mean what? That, like suppose I am Reliance, my business is Reliance, my business is leather organization, leather factory, and I am selling this particular to a shoes manufacturing company. So I also run business, that same person is also running business. So when transactions are done from business to business, one business to other business, that will be considered as B2B. Ab how it can be? Like suppose I have a leather industry and any other industry is a shoes manufacturing industry, and we are knowing that for shoes manufacturing leather required, so that person will purchase from us. So this transaction is happened from one business to other business, and that's why it is called B2B transactions. Okay, Abacha, what things are there in the B2B? All the commercial transactions, as you can see in this picture, that one business is there which are doing a transaction with other business. So here two business is involved. That's why it is B2B. Now what we are doing in B2B transaction? So number one, placing the order, delivery of that order is done through the internet only. Second one is what bacha? Receiving the document. आपको सर document for what? Document for purchase order. Purchase order means I want your 5,000 this much goods. So instead of giving this purchase order physically, they can mail it using internet. And other one is what, bacha? Other one is what? Like, and they can also send the bill now without physical mode. They can send the bill online. Acha, you had one particular ad which is coming in the television, which is actually helping in B2B commerce. Name out that app. Name out that app. I'm giving 2 minutes to you. You guys please comment it if you're listening. So tell me that, listen the question very carefully. Name the very famous app which is now advertised a very number of times on the television, and the app start with U, and the app is start with U, and the tagline is उठाइए मुनाफों का सटर, उठाइए मुनाफों का सटर. This is a tagline of this particular app which help for B2B commerce. That is what बच्चा, that is always remember one दुकानदार भाइयों का अपना ऐप उड़ान. Very interesting ad is coming on television. You can watch it. You can watch it on YouTube also. Sometime on YouTube also it is coming as a ad. तो क्या कहते हैं दुकानदार भाइयों का अपना ऐप उड़ान ऐप. So this particular app is also doing what? This particular app is also helping you, by which you can place the order, you can receive the order, you can have a credit, all that. You can receive the document, you can send the invoice by the help of internet. By the help of internet. A part of that, bachcha, transferring of money is also done through internet. RTGS is there, NEFT is there, IMPS is there. There are so many online transfer methods by which the money can be transferred from one business to other business as a payment. And a part of that, one more thing is there which you have to be remember. The fourth point, and the fourth point is what, bacha? Gathering the information. Ab gathering the information means what? Gathering the information means very simple. Like suppose one business is dealing with the other business, so what is the demand of the customer, how the sale is going, where we can improve, that all we can collect online by doing the market survey. ठीक है? And the last one, with the help of e-business in B2B commerce, the number of dealers, number of wholesalers, number of agent, location of all that persons clearly can be visible and can be transferred to the other person online. Okay, so this is how the B2B is running. So B2B is all about bacha, transferring the transaction, happening of transaction between two business. One business is doing the transaction with the other business, and that is called B2B commerce. Bacha, next concept is B2C, या business to customer. In the previous one, the transactions are happening between two firms. That's why it is business to business. Now here business will deal with the customer. And how it can be? Very simple. Like Big Bazaar is selling goods to us. That is what? B2C. So business to customer is happening. That it means transaction from business to customer. It includes what, beta? Selling of goods. Ab dekho, selling of goods is not only the term. When B2C customer is there, business is doing the survey about product. That if my product is good, then you tell me what can be the suggestion for improvement. If my product is not good, bacha, then you complain, give suggestions by which we can improve the quality of the product. And who will give these suggestions? Customer, the user of the product. The user of the product will complain, the user of product will give the suggestions, and when it is coming from maximum, then the business is thinking about that and business is changing that. For example, one particular Epiphyse, you hear the name of this. And Epiphyse is all about what? Epiphyse is all about a very good brand name in the sector of cold drink by the company Parle Agro. But Epiphyse introduced one more brand, Fruity Fizz. But customers not satisfied with that. Customer complain that, customer suggest that the taste is not good. And after that, business take the decision to stop the production of that particular product. So B2C is not only selling the goods. B2C is doing the survey with the customer that what can be the area of improvement. And a part of that, B2C is doing advertisement. Advertisement for what purpose, bacha? Advertisement for delivering the information to the customer, or you can say to influence the customer to purchase our product. If suppose Oppo mobile phone launch a mobile phone and not advertise that, then how the normal customer will come to know? The normal customer will not purchase it. So that's why advertisement is also a very important sector now, the e-business. And now advertisements are not coming maximum time in the newspaper. Where it is coming? It is coming on television. It is coming on when you are using any app. It is coming on YouTube. Between that, it is coming on Facebook. It is coming on what you can say. One more is there, na? Instagram. Electronically, advertisement is now reaching to your door, so you can easily watch to the advertisement. Because देखो, companies are knowing that how many persons are nowadays reading the newspaper. Few only. But everyone is watching TV. Everyone is very active on social medias now. Everyone is watching the YouTube. So they are now advertising the product on that. Acha, now they are delivery of goods to customer online. Delivery of goods to customer online. You just sit in your home and open apni dukaan Amazon and you purchase anything and you will get it the delivery at your home online through. You don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to place the content, you don't have to collect the products from any shop only. Automatically the products will reach to your home when you are doing the transaction online. A number of varieties you can see. You can choose by your choice. The price will be yours. Sometimes you will get the discount also. All things are delivered to your door with the help of online services. Okay. Nowadays, movies also become online. Earlier, you have to visit to avail this service to cinema halls. But now the movies also become online. The movie business is now also delivering the movies to the customer online through the web series. So many OTT platforms are there. Amazon Prime Video, Hotstar, MX Player, और कौन सा है जी? So many is there. So G Music something platform is there. So they all platforms are delivering now movie services also online, where you don't have to go anywhere, just open the services and you can watch the movies at your home only. A part of that, bacha, apart of that, now they are providing the call center services to you in B2C. In business to customer, for complaining, for giving the suggestion, you not need to visit the shop, you not need to visit the place. Call centers are there where you can directly call. Electronic, देखो, e-business doesn't mean only internet. E stands for electronic. So electronically any business is conducted, that is e-business. That's why the scope is very much high. So call centers, you can complain your problems in the call centers, you can give suggestions in the call centers by giving the toll-free number is there. Sometimes the agents are doing the live chat with you and solving your problems. So that is all. The call centers also the part of B2C commerce. And next one, which is commonly known as ATM. Now you're knowing that ATM facilities can be also to your nearest place. So many banks started this facility, bacha. You just book and the ATM van will reach to you and you can withdraw the money. ATM although is a service which is B2C, business to commerce, via internet. You do not need to visit the bank for withdrawing the money. Either you can call them to your nearest place, either you can visit the ATM where you can withdraw the money with the help of internet, because you're knowing that if you visited the ATM anytime and suppose sometime it is there ki by ATM machine is not working. Why it is not working? Because server is down. So server is down, it means ATM machine is connected with internet. You can withdraw the money, you can deposit the money when internet is working. So this facilities of B2C commerce is also run because of internet. So basically, bacha, what we can say simple thing that B2C means business to commerce. How the business is reaching to the commerce nowadays is all about the internet. It is all about the internet. Chalo ji, next one is intra B. Intra B, it is known as within the business. Achha, this particular can be stuck in your mind in also that in GST, intra-state. CGST and SGST is charged in intra-state. Intra-state means within state. Like this, intra B is also a concept which says that within the business. Within the business. Okay. So intra B is the mode where the transactions are taking the place within the business. And how the transactions are taking the place with the help of internet within the business, that we will see. So bacha, very simple. Dekho, for running any business, we have to give instructions. We have to give the instructions. We have to manage and control the things. We have to manage and control the things. Okay. We have to make coordination. We have to make coordination between all the departments. Between all the departments. And this all take place with the help of internet. With the help of internet. Like suppose you have to give the instruction to your employees. You don't need to call the employees. Nowadays WhatsApp is there. You just simply pass the message on WhatsApp. You can give the official mail to someone. Maybe that your particular app is there. From the app only you are giving the instruction to your employees. The employees are receiving the instruction from your app. Everything is done now electronic with the help of internet. ठीक है बच्चा? अच्छा, managing and controlling the things. Now with the help of internet, the things can be managed and controlled. How much production, how much production target is there. We can see online how much we achieved, that we can see, how much we have to, that I can see. So mean to say is what? That everything what can be take place in the business, that can be managed and controlled with the help of internet. How much orders we receive, how much orders we delivered, how to increase the production, what new methods we can apply, what are the new techniques, that all we implement with the help of internet. Achha, you had seen that earlier. If you were watching the Food Factory, one particular serial is coming on Discovery. So earlier the transactions are taking the place with the help of workers. So many workers are there who are producing the products in the factory. But nowadays everything is computerized. One person is just feeding the instructions, and after that automatically the machine will work. And machines are producing the product as per the program what we set in advance. Okay, so that is what suppose any design is there. So whatever the design is set as a program in the computer, according to that only the production will be there. If you see the particular dairy, earlier the persons are utilizing, so many persons are utilizing in dairy, but now machines are there. The machines take out the milk from the cow and pack that, brand that, logo that, and that is what, bacha, how the business is working inside with the help of internet. Coordination between all the department. Dekho, now it is a very, very important things are there. Now you one particular culture develop because of this one. Work from home. Imagine the situation that if internet is not there, can we communicate in this pandemic situation? Can we communicate in this particular horrible situation? No. Without the help of internet, we are able to connect virtually from each other. So this particular develop a particular concept in intra-B-commerce, that the employee can do the work from their home, from their in any convenience place. They can attend the meeting, they can give the suggestions, they can listen the instructions virtually. They can present their plan, they can present their project virtually from internet. Like suppose a person is sitting in Australia and handling the business and taking the meetings in India with the help of internet only. Okay, so this is what, bacha, this is how the intra-B commerce is working. Achha, nowadays selection, interview, submitting form for the post of, for any post, not for the post, for any post in business is now with the help of internet. So now you don't have to visit the business place to submit your form. Nowadays selections, interview, submitting the form is done through the online only. Maximum is doing this one, and that is how the internet is involved in intra-B commerce. For example, suppose I have to submit a form of Aditya Birla Group. If I don't visit to Aditya Birla Group, a particular mail ID will be there where I have to send my CV. And when any selection interview is there, the primary round is there, it can be done on telephone. Second round can be done on Zoom app, on Google Meet, face-to-face, one-to-one interview. And if everything is finalized, we will be selected and a job offer will become on my mail ID. So everything is now digitalized. And how the internet, the electronic things is entered in intra-B commerce. The intra-B commerce is basically managing the organization inside with the help of internet is considered as intra-B commerce. So bacha, this much for today. We today studied the e-commerce, meaning scope of e-business. We completed B2B, B2C and intra-B. Next class we will complete the C2C, customer to customer. Okay, thank you very much.